Fits most crib mattresses. Low to the ground to allow easy access for kids. Fun, colorful racecar artwork. Bed rails keep kids safe and secure. Bench built into the foot of the bed. Sturdy wood construction. Packaged with detailed, step-by-step assembly instructions. Mattress, pillow and bedding not included. Complete the look with KidKraft Racecar side table, 76,041, sold separately, material type, plastic. Ships in several boxes, may ship separately. Top reviews from the United States. Grandson loves it. I added a rubber stair tread for better grip on step because when he was wearing socks it was slick, but all better now smiley face. See photos.